Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your girl CheKesha Simms, and I am back with another planner related video. All right, so before we get into today's video, you already know it is customary for me to welcome you guys back. Welcome back, subbies. Thank you for coming in and watching what I got going on today. If this is your first time, thank you for joining. I hope you go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll never miss any of my videos. And as well, drop me a purple heart in the comments box. That way I know that you are new and I can do my meet and greet with you in my comments section. All right, so in today's video, it's kind of obvious what I'm doing. You see stickers, you see white space, you already know. Today's plan with me / decorate with me will be in my personal rings, and I will be using these super cute stickers from Noras Cove. If you watched my recent Happy Mail video, you saw all the goodness that she sent and some of the things that I purchased. And I did mention one of the good things about her kit sizes. I need to confirm with her if that's the actual size, but it's similar to a B6 size kit. That means it's the sizes are smaller than your standard box kits, which are typically sized for like happy planners or Erin Condrens. But anyway, this is going to be perfect. I've already laid them against my boxes to make sure that they fit, and they will fit perfectly in this printable insert that I got from Peanuts Planner Co. So if you want to see how this turns out, keep watching. All right, let's get it in. So what we're going to go ahead and do first, I'm going to put that back. We're going to go ahead and lay these super cute headers. Now these could be used as headers, or you'll see me a little bit later create my own washi strip. But what I'm gonna need my girl Yoshida of Noras Cove to do for me is make these in all sizes. Make full boxes, half boxes, more quarter boxes, washi strips, top and bottom. Like, the vibe that I'm getting from this kit is, Keisha, I need you to go out and buy all the greenery. Like, legit, today when I got out from work, I did go out to try to find me some Monstera plants. Am I saying that right? Monstera plants. Anyway, I think I ended up looking them up online, so I'm going to check Walmart out. But anyway, let's get back to this spread. So now I'm laying down my days of the week. And as you can see, these script stickers came from my shop, which is Scripts by LNC. And if you're watching this, make sure you check out the Black Shop Owners United collab sale. Myself, along with Noras Cove, my girl Anika from Anika's Creative Closet, and a whole slew of Black shop owners are participating in a sale where you can get 20% off of everything in our shops. And that runs from Friday at midnight, July 17th through Sunday the 19th at 11:59 p.m. So yeah, so if you all have been wanting to get some of my scripts, but you've been kind of watching your coins, go ahead and take advantage of it. 20% off everything except for my customs, because I am re-releasing my custom scripts. But everything else, including my new exclusive line of Chiba dolls, they're also on sale as well. So again, let's get back to the spread. So as you can see, the to the bottom right of that left page, that's where I put my scriptures for the week. And the scriptures that I use come from the Mary and Martha scripture writing and reading plan that is done by myself and my good friend Alicia from Planning and Praying, and she is now Lisa P Plans on Instagram. She used to be Lisa Mac Plans, so make sure if y'all want sure, that's still my girl. All right, so I am adding these tracker script stickers that also come from my shop, and I'm going to give you a little information about those in a second. But right now what I'm doing is layering these 2 box stickers because I want to put one of my brown girl Chiba dolls here, because for me, even though it's coffee every day, it's just something about the start of the week indicating that it is coffee. So these are my tiny coffee script stickers. Right now, I currently offer them in just the regular standard size, but these will be offered as well on Friday. And as you can see, that Chiba doll there, she is a part of the sampler, the Kiki sampler. And the Kiki sampler comes in 3 sizes. But the rest of the dolls only come in 2 sizes. If you need to figure out the size comparison, if you go under the Kiki sampler, it will have the size of the large and the regular. That's the size that the other girls come in. So going back to those script tracker stickers that you see there, I offer those in my add-on section because I also do sell trackers that these particular script stickers were created to be used in. But whether you use my tracker or a tracker that's built into your spread or whatever the case may be, these script stickers should fit pretty much any size area. So now I'm going to go ahead and white out this part because I typically don't use that section. That section again is normally like for deco or maybe just to indicate one big reminder. But I really wanted to use this Monstera potted plant because I am telling you, I am in love with that plant. Like for real, I just Googled on Walmart's website. Well, I Googled and they said Walmart carried them, so I might have to make a pit stop either probably after work tomorrow because I really want that plant because I want to start adding plants to my home. So this is a sticker that comes from my I Am collection. I have the original and I have volume 2 and volume 3. And the I Am collection is just to remind you who you are to God and who you are to yourself. You can use them as affirmations. You can use them just as daily reminders, as well as, you know, just having something cute. So now all these stickers that you're seeing me use that have this like fancy font that are on a non-scripts by LNC sheet, these are actually offered in the shop. So I have a list of different scripts that you can get, and you can just get a full sheet of them. So like with this sticker right here that says next week, you can get a full sheet of next week, a full sheet of this week, a full sheet of work, a full sheet of top priority. You can get a full sheet of whatever the scripts that are on there. But you pick one and you get that whole sheet. So say you need 5 of the fonts or the scripts, you'll get 5 sheets. And all of those are listed under my functional section. I try to make sure that I section everything off based on how you think you would use it. So what I'm doing now is just adding some more finishing touches because there were so many amazing stickers. And even though this kit looked small, it was jam-packed full of stuff. So I have extras if I want to do another spread. I can use the extras in my pocket planner. I have enough extras to use wherever I want. Now, and I can't remember if I mentioned that this particular insert that I'm using is a free printable from Peanuts Planner Co. If you're a part of her Facebook group, she offers a lot of freebies. If not, I do believe that they are available for purchase on her website, but I absolutely love this. I've tried a lot of different weekly layouts, especially week on 2 pages, and I think this is the one for me. I haven't found anything that has topped it as of yet because I can switch up the functionality of those bottom 2 sections that I have this week saying the part that say this week and next week. I can use that for shopping lists or what have you. So I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating this spread, and y'all keep on watching to the end. All right, love. So this is the final look of my weekly overview in my personal rings planner, also known as Missy. And I'm loving it. Like, the one thing I love about my planner, babe, journey is I was able to try different things and figure out what works for me. And for me, deco is just my jam. Now in my dailies, it is a lot more minimal. Sometimes I do dress it up a little bit, but I'm loving this. And this insert from Peanuts Planner Co. is giving me life. It's allowing me to track the things that I need to track and just put a simple note on what I need to do for the week. And this section right here is just, I mean, it's so universal. You can use it for whatever, your shopping list, things to do for the week, remind you of everything that you need to do for this week, but that doesn't have a specific date assignment, and to remind you of stuff that you need to carry on to the next week. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys love this kit. I did. Yoshida knocked this kit out the park. Again, make sure you shop Noras Cove. She is on Etsy, and I will leave her link in the description box. And as well, all the script stickers, as well as the I am quote, came from my shop, Scripts by LNC. Some of the scripts I do need to add into there. I think it's the no, I think all the ones that I use are currently on the shop, but I will be doing like a small release on Friday. Nothing major, just updating a couple of things and adding custom scripts back to the listing for a little while. So if you enjoyed, you already know what to do. Give me a big old thumbs up and as well, drop me a comment below. Let me know what you think, what questions you have. If I can answer, I will. If I can't, you know, I'll just be honest and say I don't know. And as well, before you leave, if you haven't already done so, please do me a favor, pay your tithes. And how do you pay your tithes? By clicking that subscribe button and that notification bell. That's it. That's it. So y'all go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll never miss any of my videos. So if this video and this spread has inspired you, pay it forward and share this video with your planner friends so they can also be inspired to create their own lovely plan. So until next time, loves, peace.